Hey everyone, so I just got an accessory for the Quest 2 that may save the stock strap in terms of comfort. And this might be something that you want to take a look at, especially if you don't want to pay a premium price to replace the stock strap, because I know some of you find the stock strap uncomfortable. So can this accessory help fix the stock straps issue that many of us are having? Let's find out. So this head pad by AMVR is for the Oculus Quest 2 stock head strap, and it costs $15.99 US. Now the box basically comes with the head pad itself, instructions of how to install it, and a warranty card. It's pretty simple. I think the color white definitely nicely matches the headset, but it also comes in black as well. Now the main purpose of this pad is to help balance the weight of the Quest 2 headset to relieve the overall pressure around your head and more specifically off your face. Now for some people, there are a few problems with the stock strap that comes with the Quest 2, and people have different reasons of why they might not like it, and it really depends on the head shape and size. But for me, the stock strap doesn't really have enough support from the back. And at times it doesn't feel secure enough when turning or rotating your head too quickly. It just really doesn't sit right on my head. Let me know down below if you had the same issue or any other issues with the stock strap. But this head pad I think can possibly fix these issues that many of us are having. Now I'm going to quickly show you how to install it, but before you install it, just a quick tip: get that stock head strap adjusted to you as best as you can, especially when it comes to adjusting the side strap. Don't worry too much about the top headband itself, you can adjust it when you put on the headset. So when you're done with that, take off the facial interface and then take the headband out. Now just insert the band through the headband here. And then insert it back onto the headset. And then secure it in place. Then pull the pad back a bit. Next, open these up and then slide the straps inside here. And then do exactly the same thing on the other side. Then put the facial interface back. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple. Now you still can adjust the side straps if you need additional adjustments. Remember, if you want to tighten the straps, pull these outward, and then to loosen, go inwards. And if you want more information on this, I do have a video on the stock strap. It's tip number 11 on this video. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check it out. So the head pad is made of TPU material. In fact, it's very similar to the Elite Strap's head pad. It's soft, it feels durable, easy to clean where you can use a wet cloth to wipe it down. It's lightweight and it weighs only 60 grams, but it definitely feels like a quality product. Now it has this glossy textured pattern overlay on the front of the pad that gives that techie kind of look, along with their logo at the bottom, but the back side of the head pad is smooth where it doesn't have any of those patterns. I'm assuming it's because of comfort reasons, being as how that's where the head is resting against. Now overall, the head pad is pretty flexible, but it's not enough where it doesn't stand by itself, which is a definite plus. I'd rather not have it too soft or flexible where it loses its shape. I don't anticipate it getting worn or getting damaged. Now this part that holds the stock head strap also has the same material as the head pad. These inserts are just as flexible as the head pad itself. I think it's a real benefit, especially if you want to take them on or off for reasons like cleaning. Now the overall sizing of this is very similar to the Elite Strap's head pad, but the AMVR version seems to be a bit wider, and the thickness is very close to the Elite Strap's version, but the AMVR head pad seems to be a bit thicker, but not by much. Plus it also has these soft round edges, so it doesn't cut into the skin when you're rotating your head. Now the reason why I'm a big fan of straps like the Deluxe audio strap is because of the support on the base of the head. And this one does something similar. It cups the base of your head where it helps better balance the headset. Plus when adjusting the stock head strap, it makes it a lot more obvious now when positioning it onto your head. Now without this head pad, I feel like when you're rotating your head around, the position of the strap can easily slip, and that's where it causes a lot of the issues for some of us. Now as far as comfort with the head pad on the stock strap versus straps like the Deluxe audio strap and even the Elite strap, I think those are more comfortable and better balances the headset if you're comparing the two. Now you'll notice here with the Elite strap, it cups the head better because it wraps around the base of the head more so than the head pad. So if you look at the top portion of the head pad, it almost lines up with the bottom, whereas the Elite Strap's bottom portion does not line up with the top. It goes in a bit more, and that's partially the key for the Elite Strap of balancing the headset. I definitely feel more support. Also with the Deluxe audio strap, it wraps the back of the head better as well. It doesn't go in as much as the Elite Strap, but it cups the back of the head more so than the head pad itself. Because the bottom portion for me, it is a bit loose even when I adjust it with the stock strap. Plus, I do miss the incremental adjustments from the knob because it's much easier to adjust or tighten the strap during a game or if you're sharing the headset with others. But of course, these accessories are much more expensive compared to the headpad itself. Now obviously, if you purchase the headpad, it doesn't have the built-in battery like the Elite battery strap or an enhanced audio like the Deluxe audio strap, but there are options out there like using a battery bank or using a clip-on headphones that you can attach it to the stock strap. And another big reason for many of us, we don't have to worry about damaging it or breaking it like the Elite strap. But I do think the headpad saves the stock head strap from just being tossed to the side or just being an afterthought. I would definitely consider using the stock strap a lot more because it does really help better balance the stock head strap. Plus, it does really help the person last longer in the VR experience with having this pad on rather than having it off. But I gotta say, after prolonged use, and of course this depends on the person's head shape and size, it's not as comfortable. So here's my final thoughts. If you don't want to upgrade the stock strap because maybe you want to save a bit of money or for any other reasons, I recommend this product. It does provide better comfort for your stock head strap, but I also recommend using a better facial interface and phone replacement in combination with the headpad, like using the AMVR or the VR Covers FacePad kit. Now, if you're interested in checking it out or taking a closer look, I'll put all the links in the description. So let me know what y'all think. Do you think you'll consider this inexpensive option if you haven't yet upgraded your stock head strap? So that's all I got for now, guys. As always, if you liked the video, press the like button and consider subscribing. Talk to y'all later.